Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today is about Regina. Congratulations to Regina Daniels. Congratulations to her. I am so happy for her. Congratulations for this newborn baby. Hey, my people. The one wey come shock me be say she come born the baby the same day when he first son dey celebrate his birthday. Today na his son birthday and na today na she born. I am so happy for her. I am so happy for her. You wey dey pray for the fruit of the womb, may you tap for this blessing. I am so happy for Regina. 2 children now. You now see the age which they born pikin. I say it's supposed make we say born. You understand? Because of Europe now, we don't dey quick think and say we want born pikin, you know. But I am so happy for her. I am so happy for her. Mona congratulate her, I beg. You know, easy. Now another new baby now it comes, so Mona congratulate her. I am so happy for her. Congratulations, Regina. Congratulations. God will bless that your baby. God will give you the strength to take care of the baby. I am so happy for you, like seriously. Because people be dey talk, say, no, Regina go leave the mouth. Now money Regina want collect. Now this whole, but today now, Regina is, he prove all of una wrong. Regina no comot. E not might say, nah, a jama looking funky. You understand? So I am so happy for her. Congratulations, Regina. Congratulations. So more than I share the video, more than congratulate her because it's not easy to bring newborn come this life. Oh, it's not easy. More than congratulate her. I am so happy for her. Bye everybody.
Hello guys. We need to speak out now concerning brother Mike. I wonder a situation whereby a country where one is a citizen, you no longer have freedom of speech in the country where you are a citizen. If the governments are doing wrong, you no longer have any say. You just keep quiet without saying, without criticizing. I wonder why. Otherwise, why would the DSS go and arrest brother Mike? Why? A country where citizens have been suffering for years. We have been trying our best to know what next we are going to do, especially the youth, to be able to liberate ourselves. And whenever anybody says anything, then it's either DSS or any other security personnel will now come and arrest the person. Why? What are they trying to tell us, that Nigeria is now a lawless country, or what? Is it what they are trying to let us know? Is it what they are portraying to us, that Nigeria is now a lawless country? Otherwise, tell me, what has Brother Mike done, if not to criticize? The wrong that the government are doing, you criticize it. As a content creator, why would they go and arrest him? Why? What is happening in our country? What is the problem? What is the problem with this government? Why wouldn't they leave the people to exercise their civic right? Freedom of speech is one of the rights that every citizen of the country has. Freedom of speech. You no longer have a freedom of speech in your own country. As a citizen, you no longer have a freedom of speech. This is absurd. I mean, this is absurd. This is absurd. They are taking this matter so far in this country. They are taking this matter so far in this country. I'm telling you the truth. The security operatives, the government, they are taking this matter so far. They now think that they can cage everybody. Nobody has the right to say anything. They just do whatever they want, and then they, at will, they just go and kidnap people. Because this, you cannot call this arrest. It's kidnap. You can't just go and arrest people for having done nothing. It's kidnap. So at will, they just go and kidnap people just because they say something, just because they exercise their right. It is not fair. Please share this video. Freedom and justice for Brother Mike. Let everybody share this video. Let it get to the appropriate authorities. Let Brother Mike be given what? Justice. Justice for Brother Mike. That is in the, under the DSS custody now. I wonder why they will go and arrest him. Create a job for the people, for the citizens, especially the youth in the country. You cannot. The graduates, you see youth, they go to school, spend years, spend money, spend time, spend everything. They will come out without job. They are trying to, whatsoever they can do, they can lay their hands to be able to survive. You still come and arrest them just because they exercise their right. They exercise their right. Freedom of speech? What a country. What a country. Where is Nigeria going to? How did we get here? No, how did we get here? Please share this video because I have not seen any wrong that Brother Mike did. He has not done any wrong other than criticize. And it's a constructive criticism. I have not seen anything wrong that he has done. I mean, why are you afraid of criticism if you are doing the right thing? Go to other countries. When the government fail, they criticize the government. I haven't heard any security operatives go to arrest people because they criticize their government. Why is Nigeria like this? Why is it like this in a country called Nigeria? Why? Why? Let the world hear us. Let the world hear us. Please share this video. Share this video. Let everybody, let it get to everywhere. Let it get it to every corner. Let it get it to every crook and crone. Let everybody get this video. Let's share this video. Justice for Brother Mike. Let every authority get this video and get this message. What the nonsense. You no longer have a freedom of speech in your own country. Eh? It is unfair. Honestly, it's unfair. I don't know where they are taking us to. I don't know what they really want about Nigeria. I really don't know where. In fact, please share this video. Share this video. Let everybody get this video. Share it. Justice for Brother Mike. And enough is enough for the securities, for the harassment that the security are given to the youth in the country. Enough is enough. Please share this video and place your comments. Thank you.
Hey guys, all right, information reaching out to me this afternoon or this evening or right now. A maker mother just called me that say they don't release the son, a maker. So Brother Mike has been released. Just listen to the voice notes.
Hey, I thank you, my brother Mike is not released Amu.
I feel I just see her for internet. Nah. I mean they shoot things money. Where you there?
He never come out, they come for road, they get across it. But they don't let me get on the come for road, they never come out.
I happy well.
Now you are happy.